If you're wondering how to approve a draft bill in Xero, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to walk through the steps to approve a draft bill and make sure you're confidently navigating the process in Xero. Stay with me, and I'll also share some insider tips on how to streamline this process for your business. And if you're new to Xero, don't worry, we're keeping it simple and straight to the point. First things first, let's log into your Xero account and head over to the Bills to Pay section. You'll find this in the Accounts menu. Now, within this section, you'll see all of your draft bills listed. These are bills that have been created but are yet to be finalized. When you're looking at a draft bill in Xero, you're essentially in a preview mode. These bills are not yet part of your official accounts. You'll want to review the information before moving forward, so click on the draft bill you wish to approve. Make sure everything looks correct: the supplier details, the amounts, due dates, and anything else specific to that transaction. Once you're happy with the details, we can go ahead and approve it. You'll notice a button labeled Approve at the bottom of the screen. Simply click on this to convert the draft into a fully approved bill. This is a crucial step, because an approved bill is what triggers payments, reporting, and tax calculations. Once approved, the bill is no longer in draft status and will appear in your awaiting payment section. This is where you can track it until it's paid. But here's a pro tip. If you're working in a team or have multiple users on your Xero account, you can set up approval workflows to control who can approve bills. This is really useful if you want to make sure a manager or supervisor signs off before anything is officially approved. You'll find this option in the Settings menu under Invoice Settings, and it can be customized to suit your business. Now, what happens if you make a mistake or need to amend a bill? Don't worry. Xero gives you the option to either edit a draft bill or void it altogether if it's not needed anymore. Once a bill is approved, however, it can't be edited directly. If you need to change anything, you'll have to create a new bill or contact your supplier for adjustments. And here's something important. Remember that once a draft bill is approved, it becomes part of your financial records. It'll be included in your financial reports, so it's vital that you double-check all the details before hitting that approve button. As you can see, approving a draft bill in Xero is a quick process, but it can save you a lot of time by making sure your bills are organized and handled properly. Now, here's a bonus for sticking with me. Xero can be used for free with exclusive bonuses from the first link below. This means you can dive into these features, get comfortable with the software, and start automating your business without worrying about upfront costs. Plus, if you sign up today, you'll get an extended free trial, so you can explore even more advanced features. So, don't forget to take advantage of this offer. That's it for today's walkthrough on how to approve a draft bill in Xero. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Xero journey.